the Batmobile. Let's go.
Atomic batteries to power. Turbines to speed.
You're ready to move out.
Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Well, I hope you've had a lovely Christmas. It's lovely and wet here in Bolton in the Red Rose County of Lancashire, but it is what it is. Anyway, today is the start of a brand new build. There we go. The Batmobile Tumbler. Picked this up from the news agents today. I ordered it last week. He originally told me it was going to be on a Thursday, but I popped along anyway just to make sure, and here it is. So without further ado, let's have a look at what we have here. Here we have the parts, all on a big card. We've got the instruction manual, we got the parts. Everything looks very similar to the trial version. This is from my trial version, as well as this one, even though one of these hydraulic arms has gone missing, but not to worry. So let's have a look over the back. There we go. Batmobile Tumbler. Build the legendary Batmobile Tumbler from the Dark Knight trilogy with lights, motion and sounds. Excellent stuff. Now, as it says here, it's published weekly from issue 10. So there we go. Yep. And $6.99 is for issue 2, which will be with us in 2 weeks time. It has front tyres with extra grip, gull-wing doors open and close, cockpit with control panel, steering console and radar board, and bodywork with stealth design. Looks absolutely excellent. And here we have incredible model features: movable rear flaps, remote controlled rear aerofoils, high performance racing seats, LED lights, and what you can expect from the magazine: step-by-step instructions. Explore Batmobiles from their origins to today, from the comics to the movies, cartoons to video games, and the history of Batman. Excellent stuff. Over here, small picture: turbine engine with sound effects, rear tyres with deep tread. The Tumbler with its geometric lines and ejector bat pods. The Tumbler is the most revolutionary Batmobile ever, representing a new technical high in Batman's vehicle history. Its battle grade body armor is not only bulletproof but strong enough to smash through concrete walls. Excellent stuff. And here we have the model specs. Size approximately 56 by 35 by 19 centimeters, scale 1:8. Materials die cast parts with plastic for finer details. Excellent stuff. That looks brilliant. And there was the Dark Knight himself. Just need a t-shirt now. So here we have the parts again. We got the plaque, screwdriver, the couple of cannons, and there we have that front parts of the Batmobile. So we'll get these out in a minute, and we'll get the magazine out. Have a quick look at that now. Well, that is everything off the card. Just pop the parts to one side. Let's have a quick look at the magazine. Here we have a large flyer with this. There we go. That looks dark. Batmobile Tumbler 1/8 scale. There we go. Looks like a misprint, man, that to me, to be honest. Like darkness over it, but it does look effective. Except when you get to the writing here. Same as what was on the back of the card. There we go. Here we have: subscribe today and receive your free issue plus 4 fantastic free gifts. Free issue with your first delivery, so that means part 2 must be free when that arrives. You got a keyring, a mug, a Batmobile Tumbler die cast version with your 7th delivery, and a binder. There is what is coming in issue 2. The first front wheel. Excellent stuff. We'll look at the magazine. Here we have, open this up, more flyers. There we go, coming in issue 3. There we go, some wipers with parts to build the front panel of the passenger compartment. And here's a bit more about those free parts, free gifts I should say, sorry. Your exclusive subscriber benefits: free postage and packaging, cancel anytime, never miss an issue, secure payments. And the mug looks brilliant. Yeah, excellent stuff. Well, there we go. There's the display case. £1.50 extra per issue. It is 120 issues. Pay £12.49 per issue and receive 2 issues a month until issue 6, then 4 issues until issue 10, and finally 6 issues every 6 weeks. Included with your subscription are 4 free gifts and 1 free issue plus your awesome display case. For full terms and conditions, visit the Hachette website. Model complete in 120 issues. Collector's item. Here we have the magazine. Does it come in black? That's a good camouflage version. Technical spec. Let's see, that's the original. There we go, the Christopher Nolan trilogy. Release year 2005. And here we have the Dark Knight series. The Dark Knight Rises. And here we have Who is Batman? Got that. That's brilliant. DC Batman Rebirth. That's pretty good as well. There we go. That is Batman's history for you. Then we have the step-by-step instructions. So anyway, let's get the parts out and get on with the build. Here's our lovely plaque. That means I've got 2 now. That's got a different finish on it, that one. That looks quite smooth. See the difference? Anyway, there we go. Those are the parts. There's a free screwdriver. Those are the sides for the glass. That's the fronts. These are the fairings. Basically what we need to do is to attach this with this one. You can see it only goes in one way. There we go. And it is just a push fit. So basically that goes in there like that. And we can do exactly the same with this one. Excellent. Okay, now we've got the 2 cannons in place. There we go. That's left and right. What we need to do now is grab hold of the front of this. We need the left curve panel. Again, it's scribed there or punched into place. We pop that there like that, turn that over, and we put the left cannon in place. Again, push fit just there like so. Now that will hold itself just for now. We need to do this on the other side for the right cannon. Again, 2 pegs, push that into place. They will fall out because we've got to put a brace in. There we go, that's in place. So we can pop that back there. There we go, they're holding themselves in. Just give it a good squeeze. Excellent. So that's the cannons in place. There we go. Now what we need is to turn this upside down and pop. Just move them out of the way. Pop that there like so. This is 1N. This will keep these 2 curve panels into place because they will slide around. There we go. And we need 2 CM screws, 1 there, 1 there. There we go, that's how that fits. Excellent. There we go. I'll keep them 2 cannons in place. Excellent stuff. Brilliant. Next thing to do is the windows. Okay, these have got a couple of pegs on them. We don't need that one, we need this one. It's got 2 pegs, so to go in there and there. So just line it up. We don't need glue apparently. And just pop it into place. That one's gone in. There we go. That's looking grand. And we can do the same on the other side. Can obviously only go in one way. There we go. Excellent. Okay, now we need to apply some adhesive on here and here. We've got some adhesive strips, we've got 4 of, and then after that we need to fit that one and that one in place over here and here once we put the window into place. So put the first one there. That's not really worked out right. Left the sticker on here. Let's see if we can put that there. There we go. Yeah, that one's done exactly the same. There you go. That's that and that stuck in place. And now we've got the front window. Pick your best side. I think this is the best side. Put that there. There we go. That's that in place. Excellent stuff. There we go. Looking lovely jubbly. Now we need to do the same again. We need to put an adhesive strip on here. Like that. And one on this one. You notice the adhesive part came off the backing this time, which is a bit unfortunate, but it's anyway. Take that off there and there, and now we just need to position these through them holes there, there, and there. So I can go there like that one. And that one can go there, just like that. Excellent stuff. Looking brilliant. Okay, now we need 1C, which is, that's not it, that's the right one. This is the left one, and basically we need to fit this. There are 2 pegs that fit in there, there, and 1 peg fits there. So pop this into place. Just like that. Excellent. We need to do exactly the same on this side. There we go, brilliant. That's looking fandabby-dozy. Now all we've got left are the pistons. This is the colourful parts, obviously. There and there. So I don't want to go in. Shouldn't need any glue for any of this, to be honest. There we go. Nice tight fit. Excellent. Let's put the other one in place. That one goes there. Okay. There we go. That's the pistons in place. Excellent stuff. So there we go. That's the front done. And that's the nameplates. Excellent stuff. It's got some protective backing on that nameplate as well. Lovely jubbly. Now we can have a look at the difference between the trial version and the one regular version. Now, as you can see, the window isn't tilted. The window isn't tinted as much, or the windows. This is a trial version, so you can see through that quite easily, whereas the one I've just assembled is a lot darker. The cannons look exactly the same. I've got a missing piston on this one, but that doesn't matter. It was only a trial version. That piston looks exactly the same as well. But other than that, you can see the inside. That's the old one and the new one. So there's the difference. There's always usually a difference. Darker windows. Excellent stuff. So there we go, guys. That's the first issue of this Batmobile Tumbler. Darker tinted windows. That's going to be murder to keep clean. Or dustless, I should say. But everything else seems fine. Now, obviously I got this from the news agency, so I'll be expecting my subscription to arrive in the next couple of weeks, so hopefully with issue 2, so that'll be grand. Brilliant. That's the trial version. Excellent stuff. And there we have that nameplate, plaque, whatever you want to call it, with some protective blue covering on it. That's the smooth version, the original one from the trial. Excellent stuff. Well, I really enjoyed that. A lot of these parts are going to be push fit, apparently. Obviously with this there was just the 2 screws here, here and here, but that looks grand. That glass has got a bit of a mark on the inside, but it doesn't matter because I'll be getting another one anyway. Excellent stuff. Well, I hope you did enjoy that. So 120 issues, 119 left. Excellent stuff. Issue 2 will be out in a couple of weeks time, 11th of January I believe, so that's great, but I'll be waiting for my subscription issues to arrive. Excellent stuff. Here we have the magazine again. This will be a good read. Everybody loves Batman. There we go. Does it come in black? That might be an idea to actually paint that. You can see it at the bottom here. There we go. There's that section with the cannons. Might be an idea actually to paint this up. That'll look great. There we go. Anybody's doing 2 of these, there's a nice reference photo for you. Excellent stuff. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and watching. If you did like that, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for issue 2. Thanks again, and a happy new year. I'll see you around about the 11th of January hopefully with issue 2. Thanks again. Stay safe. Bye now.